I'm going to be disassembling a C-stand. So it's already on, and you can adjust the light intensity from the back, from here. By turning it to the right, increases the light intensity. Turning it to the left, decreases the light intensity. You can also change the temperature, also at the back. Turning it to the right increases the temperature, and turning it to the left decreases the temperature. To turn it off, we're going to unplug there, off. Then the whole thing is called an LED. We're going to close the barn door. To remove everything, we're going to unscrew the knuckle over here, right at the top. Then pull it. And tighten it up so that the screw doesn't get out. To lower the C-stand, you're going to unscrew the knuckles. It's in a small position. Then to make it even better, we're going to unscrew this knuckle right here at the bottom. 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then push it down and tighten it, making sure it's secure. And yeah, that's how you disassemble a C-stand.